Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Liam. This is my hobby room, and today we're going to be looking at the HGUC Kampfer. It's a Kampfer from War in the Pocket. Man, I already got a lot of mileage out of this joke on another channel, and I don't need to be doing it here. And it was a bad joke, but I did it anyways. I apologize for the wait on this video, everybody. I've been in a lot of physical pain lately, and I'm going in for surgery today, later today. They haven't given me a time yet. But so that's kind of where I've been at. Man, I'm NPO right now, which means I can't eat anything or drink anything, and God, I'm so hungry. I'm very hungry. But I'm very excited to be pain-free. That is a concept that seems very foreign to me at this point, but it'll be very nice to not have that anymore. I foresee I'm gonna be in recovery for a bit, so we're gonna put this video out, and then it'll be like I never left. Right? This is a very different looking mobile suit for Zeon. Despite it being a Zeon mobile suit, I feel like it's really crossing or blurring the line, I should say, between classic Federation designs and the Zeon kind of rounded aesthetic. It is still a very curvy mobile suit, but something about it just kind of foreshadows things to come. Where it foreshadows a lot of the Sentinel designs, a lot of the more Zeon-styled Federation mobile suits, after obviously the Federation wins the one-year war and takes all of that stuff to make all their own mono-eye looking mobile suits. But yeah, this one, you might understand what I mean when you take a look at it. The kit itself is very nice, definitely an older kit, but it's still got some really great articulation. Some of the connections and the way it's put together, quite modern, I think, in a lot of ways. But then there are some ways where you look at it and you're like, oh yeah, this is definitely an earlier kit, but it's a really, really nice model kit. If you're looking for something fun, a little bit different, and mostly blue, then this one ticks all those boxes. You can check my review of the kit. I did it on the Gunpla Network. I'll link it somewhere. There'll be a link probably down in the description. If you like the look of the Kampfer, you can get one of these kits for yourself at BC Hobbies and use my code LHR10 for 10% off. Save yourself a little bit of money there, and then you can get building and build a really, really cool kit. So one of the main modifications I want to make to this kit is the mono eye. If you can see here, it is just a black piece with a flat front that you can put a mono eye sticker on, which, I don't know, doesn't really do it for me. So what I want to do is just saw out this piece here, and it's mostly hollow, so it's not going to be very difficult. And so I'll saw that out and put a like a ball joint in the back there, and then on a little ball jointed peg, we can put the mono eye on front. And basically what that will do is allow you to move the mono eye back and forth, just like it is supposed to. The other thing, oh dear, the other thing I want to do has to do with the head as well. So what I'm going to do is put some plastic art on the bottom of this vent here, just to give it a little bit more depth, to make it look a little more interesting than just coming in line with the rest of the chin, which I think I don't know, it just looks weird to me. The other modification I want to do is just some drilling, so I'm going to drill out these holes here to make them look actually vented, give them some three-dimensionality. I think that'll look a lot better than how they're just kind of recessed. And I'll be drilling out these ones as well. I think these are supposed to be little verniers, so I'm going to make them look a little more vernier-ish, so there's that. And as far as I can tell, that is it. That's really all I'll be doing, so that's not so bad, and those are pretty easy modifications to make. So here is the high-grade Kampfer, all modded, sanded, seam lines are all closed, all put together, everything's ready to go. Ready for paint, I should have said. This kit was pretty fun to work on. There was a lot of process I had to do on the parts, and that's the stuff I enjoy. So I think I'm actually pretty psyched to see this one painted. I think it's going to turn out really well. I'm crossing my fingers on that one, just in case it doesn't turn out well, but because that's always a possibility as well. But yeah, this is a sweet kit, So I'm going to start painting, and then I will show you what it's like when it's all done. Ooh. Oh, yeah. So blue. Where's it come from? I like this song. So everybody, I apologize for the shorter video, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I am in a lot of pain right now, so I'm gonna go get ready for surgery, and I will see you all on the other side. Unless I die, which probably won't happen. But hey, if it does, it was a good run. I appreciate all of you, and take care of one another, and I'll see you guys next time on Liam's Hobby Room. Unless I die.